Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Jill and I enjoy sharing different beauties, tips, tricks, and more. And today I am going to do another one of the makeup looks from our current lookbook for summer 2022 with Mary Kay. And that is going to be the Sunset Sights makeup, which is a really pretty, light, beautiful look. So I'm going to be putting that together for you today. I want to thank you again for my new subscribers who have signed up. I appreciate you being here, and thank you for all the wonderful comments that you guys have been leaving. That really means a lot to me. So if you are enjoying these videos, I would appreciate it if you click like and subscribe, because I'd love to have you come back and see more. And let's get started today with this really awesome look. So I already have all my base foundation with the powder and concealer already on today to save a little bit of time. But if you do want to look through my other videos, some of my makeup videos, I do start to finish from concealer all the way through. But today I just wanted to shorten it up a little bit to get this look out for you. So for the first color today, I'm using Shiny Penny, and I'm going to be using my all over eye makeup brush. And for the Shiny Penny, we are going to put this in the inner part of our eye area. So from the corner on up is where we're going to layer the Shiny Penny. And as you see, I just took one of the colors out of my palette. Normally I have them in there, but just for the sake of this video and showing you the colors, I just pulled it out separately. So you want to make sure you get this all over the inner side of your eye. And then next, I'm going to be using our liquid eyeshadow in pink Starlight, and this is a really pretty color. So there's different ways that you can apply this. You can put it directly on your eye and blend it in, or I like to use our cream color blush and take just a little bit off the applicator. And then I just feel like it helps distribute it exactly where I want it. If you wanted to and you wanted to use the applicator that comes with the liquid eyeshadow, you can do that as well. You can place it right on and rub it in with the applicator, or you can also tap it in with your fingers, and that will also smooth the look. And it's really pretty shimmery glow. It can enhance a lot of your eye makeup colors, and it's one of my favorites. I know some people aren't too sure about using a liquid eyeshadow because they're afraid it'll go all over the place or so forth, but if you work with it and you have the right tools, it really is easy, and it also stays on for a long period of time, and it doesn't crease, so it is really nice to add to all of your makeup looks. And as you see, I am just easily putting that on with the cream color brush. And then we're going to go with our third color, and that is going to be in Frozen Iris. And I'm going to use my other brush to put this on the outer corner of the eye. And this is a little bit of the darker color to add a little bit of depth. And once again, these are buildable, so if you wanted it a little bit darker than what I'm putting on, you can certainly build it to a darker purple color. And I think it's a really nice feature that our lookbook has these makeup looks in there, because there's so many different things you can do, and every month it features at least 2 of them that you can recreate at home. So I'm going to go ahead and put the Frozen Iris on the other side of my eye and just blend that in. And then once you have that where you like it, you just take your big blending brush for your eyes, and in circular motions go ahead and put all that together so it blends really nice. And then you don't have any distinguished lines or anything pointed out on your eyes. Everything just flows together really nicely. And I really think these colors are really pretty all together. And there you can see those. And then next we're going to be taking our eyeliner in deep brown. And for this look, I am going to be lining the top and the bottom of my lids. And I'm going to go from the inner to the outer corners for this particular look. And just add just the slightest little wing on the side, but not going to overemphasize it because this is a nice soft look. And as you can notice from the videos, our eyeliners go on nice and smooth. They're not hard to put on at all. The biggest thing that we all need is a steady hand. Sometimes that can be the hardest part of applying makeup, is just keeping your hand steady. But the eyeliner definitely does its job and goes on nice and clean. And it just gives a totally different look, adding that to the eyeshadows. And I just like to make sure all my lines are smooth. So next we are going to be moving on to the mascara. And this is one of my favorite mascaras, is Lash Intensity. And I will show you the wand there. You can see how thick it is. So this really adds some length and color to your lashes. And again, this one is buildable, so you can put on a couple layers to get the desired effect that you would like. And I put them on both the upper and lower lashes. And you can also start to see my eyelashes actually coming out there because they are quite light. And then just go ahead and do the opposite side. I am left-handed, so I always tend to think that I'm doing everything backwards on camera, but my fellow lefties will understand that. It's funny, even though I'm left-handed, I do a lot of things with my right hand, like cutting and throwing a ball and different things like that. Sorry about that. Still getting over my illness a little bit. Still have a little bit of a cough lingering. It's been quite a challenge trying to get through that. So as you see, I have the mascara on now, and that really helps make a difference in the eyes. And then next we're going to move on to the Juicy Peach, and this is our Chroma Fusion blush, and I'm going to use our blush brush. And this color really goes well with the eye colors, and you just want to put that on the apples of your cheeks and then blend in. And it's always so much fun to see how each layer of color that you add on your face, how everything just tends to come together and look so pretty. Mary Kay has always done a wonderful job of creating colors and makeup looks. So there we have it for our blush. And then the next part is one of my favorites. We're going to be using Sheer Illusion lip gloss. And if you watch my other videos, you know how much I love our lip glosses. They are so moisturizing and they go on so nice. And there's so many different options for them. You can use them with lipsticks or you can use them alone. And they are also buildable. And you can already see that nice shine, but I wanted to put just a little more on the top and then go over the bottom as well. And this is definitely one of my favorites because it goes with every look that you may put together, and it's so pretty layered over other colors as well. So there you have it. Here's the Sunset Sights looks in its completion. So here you have the final look of the Sunset Sights makeover from the Lookbook Summer 2022. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. I really like this look. It's nice and clean and light, and it's good for so many different occasions. As you know from my prior videos, if you've watched them, I absolutely love our lip glosses. They're so moisturizing, they last for a little while, and they have the most beautiful colors that you can layer along with other lipsticks. So thank you so much for watching today. I hope you guys all have a wonderful, wonderful week ahead. And if you have any questions, please leave them below. And once again, if you enjoyed this video, please click like and subscribe. Thanks again so much for watching.